we all have one massive problem. Garbage. A mountain of it. Actually, many mountains of it. Today, we have a solution. At least for our oceans. GAIA FIRST will finance the creation of a boat capable of collecting the garbage from the oceans and transforming it into green energy. How? By a system called gasification. A system also used by military forces to transform stock of horrible chemical warfare materials to energy. This energy will then be used by the transforming system and the boat itself so that this process can carry on continuously in a self-sustaining way. Like eating the garbage up. At 20 tons per day, we can eliminate the largest garbage patch, the size of 3 times the area of France, by 50% in just 5 years. Just with one boat. Imagine what could be done with 2 or more. Okay, fantastic. But a superboat like that costs a lot. How can I finance this? I don't have millions. Simple. You become the crowd behind the proposal. Big corporations and well-known brands will finance this. The bigger the crowd, the more they will want to fund. But to get there, there are a few steps. Step 1. Crowdfunding for initial technical design and studies, but also for communication. No more PowerPoint presentations. And gaining followers on social media. Step 2, crowdfunding, again, for initial design development and system adaptation to the marine environment. Here, we will use the larger crowdfunding platforms and hopefully gain many more followers on social media. Maybe we'll even become a social movement. Step 3, first round of sponsoring companies and groups for advanced development and prototype testing. We still need your support, as we need the followers and peers to grow substantially, hopefully getting backed by Leonardo DiCaprio. We won't call the boat the Titanic. Okay, don't worry. Step 4. Large corporate sponsoring for the production and running of one boat for 5 years. Since we believe that the bigger your power, the bigger your responsibility. Sorry, Spider-Man took that one from me. Now that you have the bigger picture, the key player is you. We're at step 1 and we need you to donate. Just a pizza worth. Follow all our social media accounts. Share with friends, family, neighbors, pets, trees, strangers, aliens, if they have Instagram. Please be our superheroes. We are counting on you. GAIA FIRST.